My name is Marta Rios.
My name is Aida Finlayson. We teach 4th grade dual language at Veterans Hill Elementary in Hutto ISD. What I've seen with the students these last couple of days that we've been working on the engineering lesson is that they are definitely feeding off of each other, and so if one uses a word, we could definitely see the others, practicing the word, because they want to also participate. Everybody wants to participate.
3, 2, 1. It's all black. Oh no, I know something. What? Like dance. Wait, 10, 2. No, this time me. There's almost no oil.
What I have noticed from the students during the engineering process is they seem to be more engaged. They're working collaboratively, and even though sometimes we have a student that is more dominant Spanish, is a little bit more open to looking for the help from the partner, and the partners are crossing. So the setup is really good for them to be a little bit more open when in the classroom setting, those kids will usually just fade away.
Yeah, is it gonna go in? Oh,
I've seen some of them just flourish. ¿Qué usaron aquí? Ah. ¿Y no lo pudieron limpiar?
Estuvo difícil porque los lados siempre hay como hoyo y es difícil agarrar por el package.
Oh, okay.
One of the things that I've seen with the confidence and just the group work that they were doing, it felt like everybody was contributing versus just one person. And a lot of times that's what we get in the classroom. Even though we try to put these hands-on activities, where they're working in groups, normally one of them will take over and the other ones just kind of follow along. And here this week, it seems like everybody is jumping in, so that's really good. We appreciate the opportunity that Dell has given us and our students with this project.